Welcome to Nija Education, Class 9, chapter is India Size and Location. Today we are going to discuss on that why 82 degree 30 east longitude Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as a standard time meridian of India. Means जो लाइन पास हो रही है इंडिया के मैप से बीच में इसे कहते हैं स्टैंडर्ड टाइम मेरिडियन. Why this time is taken as a standard time meridian of India? We are going to see that. Sun rises in the east and set in the west. The longitude extent of India is 30 degree. That means the distance between the two lines of a longitude is 30 degree. So it takes 4 minutes to move one longitude. That means 30 degree into 4 is equal to 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. It takes 2 hours to move from the east to west. So in Gujarat, if it is a 12 pm, then in Assam it will be a 2 pm. So there is a time difference between the two states is a 2 hours. So there is a difference between of a 2 hours. Now this difference between create a lot of confusion in the air timing and the real timing in so many other things. So to avoid this confusion, a longitude passing through the midpoint, that is 68.7 east and 97.25 east in western and eastern longitude is taken as a standard time meridian. That you can see this line. This line is passing in the middle of a Uttar Pradesh in Mirzapur is taken as a standard time meridian. India's neighbor. You can see in the map, India has 29 states and 7 union territories. In the northwest, India shares its boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan. You can see that on the map. In the north, India shares its boundary with China, Nepal and Bhutan. In the east, India shares its boundary with Bangladesh and Myanmar. In the south, India shares its boundary with Maldives and Sri Lanka, that you can see on the map. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the narrow channel of a sea formed by the Park Strait. See on the map. India and the world. India is centrally located between the east and the west Asia. You can see on the map. India is located at the center of the Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connects the European country in the west and the countries of East Asia. India has established a close contact with the West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast. Also contact with the Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. India has the longest coastline on the Indian Ocean. India's contact with the world through the land route is much older than the sea route. Through these routes, people around the world have come to know about India's culture and tradition. So with this topic, we have completed our first chapter of a geography, that is India's size and location.